So functions like this are called linear functions. But why are they called linear functions? Go ahead and take a wild guess. Thank you guys for answering and taking a wild guess. I'm really excited to read your guys' creative answers. So it's called a linear function because it creates a graph like this, a straight line. Why does it make a straight line? Because whenever you increase or decrease the number of hours, the number of people changes by the same exact amount every single time, 4. Now let's write a function for this. So what is my x going to be? My x is going to be what I have control over, which is the number of hours. So how can I write my function so when I plug in the number of hours, I get the number of people? Again, pause and ponder. So if you have 3 friends and each friend gets 4 cookies, you would do 3 times 4 to get the total number of cookies. Same thing here. Each hour you get 4 new people, so you multiply the number of hours by 4. So your function is going to be y is equal to 4x, and here I graphed it. We have been counting all the customers, but who's making their food? We totally forgot to account for the people running the restaurant. Oops. Since we didn't see them go in, the 3 of them must have been inside Fuzzy's before we got there. So here's our revised table and the graph for that. Is this still a linear function? Well, yes, because it is still increasing by the same amount each time. Pause and write your own revised function. So since we start with 3 workers, we need to add 3 people at the beginning. However, this doesn't mean we want to add an extra 3 people each hour. So it is going to be separate from our changing value x, which is the number of hours. So we're going to write a function that adds 3 at the beginning but does not keep adding 3 as the hours go by. A function like that is going to be y is equal to 4x plus 3. Well, does this make sense? Well, when we plug in 0, we get 3, which is the number of people that started out in Fuzzies, and even if we mess with the x, the number of hours, it doesn't change the original 3. Challenge problem. You live in a magical city where the skyscrapers grow a certain amount every night. The pink skyscraper grows 3 inches every night and the yellow one grows 5 inches every night. You decide to start measuring tonight and the pink building is currently 100 inches tall and the yellow one is 75 inches tall. On night number 35, what building is taller and by how much?